I didn't shave my head. So today was a very difficult day in the trading realm. I lost not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but 6 trades in a row. Can't make that up. I was up around $300 for the week, lifted my position sizes up, got hit left and right, took a total of, I think it was $600, basically around $600 in losses. I know that seems like quite a bit, but the account portfolio that I'm doing, that's only 1.5%. I gave myself a hard stop at 2%. So if I were to ever lose up to 2% on my portfolio, I would just quit for that day. Today, I lost 1.5%. As you'll see going through these trades, they're really quick. So, I mean, if they did go in my direction, I would have made a decent amount of money, but they didn't. So I have to deal with the losses and move on, and I'll be back on Tuesday with the live trade videos. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have my weekly scan and also a weekly recap of my entire portfolio, where I'm gonna go in the ins and outs of everything that I'm doing within my entire portfolio, not just my trading account. So let's go ahead and hop into today and see how, I mean, we know how all these trades happen, but let's go ahead and hop in and watch them. All right, I am in my first trade of the day. This one, this was ticker symbol IMBI. There was a 60% gap up. A lot of upwards momentum. Is currently in a pullback. I have a 500 share position right here at $5.23. I am risking more than usual on this one trade because I have high hopes for it. My stop loss is right here at $4.79. So right now my unrealized P&L is about down $75. I think it's around $220, $230 that I'm risking on this trade, which is not too bad for how my week has been going. So I want to see how this one plays out for me. I need it really to break 550, and then I can see a real big swing to the upside here. See how it plays out. I am flipping back between the 1 minute and 5 minute chart here, moving my stop loss to mitigate my losses as time goes by. Pretty deep pullback right now. Risking about $150 from around, it was around 200, so this potentially could get stopped out here. Looks like on the 1 minute chart it is going to bounce potentially from this 50-day or 50 moving average. That was a good hammer candle. Could be a potential bounce here. There's one over here previously though on the 5 minute chart and it didn't seem to bounce. So let's see if we can get the upwards push. Okay, got stopped out at 498. So looks like it was a deeper pullback than anticipated. This is ticker symbol XLNX. I bought a 500 share position. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the extended hours off. I bought a 500 share position. Been on this high volume run. The MACD is looking positive. It looks like it's pulling back and consolidating. I got a 500 share order at my entry point at 102.96, and I have a stop loss at 102.18, just below the VWAP and the 8-day moving average. This trade I am also risking a larger amount. I want to get used to be able to risk larger amounts so that I can move my portfolio forward a little bit more. If it doesn't end up working for me, well then it is what it is. So far this trading week has been pretty good to me, so I'm able to take a little bit more risk than usual. Well, I was within 1 cent of a stop out. It's pretty close. I think it'll stop me out now. Yeah, there it goes. Okie dokie. I am back in my trade XLNX. Look at how it pulled back and it stopped me out and then went on this run up. So I re-entered and I have a stop loss here at 102.58. I'm sorry, I have an entry point over here at 102.90.
and a stop loss here at 102.58. This is what I like. Everything's in bullish context, okay? Came up, pulled back, and now it's building up another kind of almost like a launch pad. I love these trades. So, I mean, nothing's really been going in my direction, to be honest, today. So if I lose this trade, I'm going to just call it quits for the day and quits for the week. I'd probably wipe out most of my gains for the week, come to think about it, which isn't the smartest, but also it's given me the opportunity. This week has been giving me the opportunity to kind of go big, to experience larger share positions, which is pretty cool. What I needed to do is now I needed to break through this kind of resistance level of 103. So if we can get really above that and break it out, we could see some really good momentum even to the upside. So this little pullback here was on low volume. That's good. This one was on higher volume. So we could see a breakout right around here at 103. I can already move my stop loss up just because this candle already formed. So I want to follow it upwards. If it does break this, if it breaks the low of this candle, there's a high probability I'll get stopped out. Yep, there it goes, stop me out. That has been my day. Just entered a position of ticker symbol GSX. This is my 4th trade of the day. I am in a 500 share position. We have trying to play another breakout of a bull pull. So far, they have not been working out for me. This one looks very good, but you never know these days. You just never know. So my entry point is over here at 32.14, and then I have a stop loss at 31.95. I'm risking about 20 cents here for 500 shares. Okay, that just came and stopped me out in a flash. This has been my day. All right, I am going to play another trade here, 500 shares, ticker symbol CRWD. It is building this nice ascending triangle right here. So I'm going to have my stop loss just below this candle here at 62.65. Sell a stop, 62.65. 500 shares, place that. I'm gonna alert it to the group. What we need to see this do is break $63 here to see more upside potential. That was a nice hammer candle that formed. Okay, I'm out of that position. Whoa, it didn't even come down and didn't even reach the low and I got out of that position. That was interesting. It's been struggling to make it above it, so I just wanted to mitigate my stop there, and it looks like the MACD might be crossing over. So we might see a break to the downside here. All right, I am back in ticker symbol IMBI. It has had this massive pullback and now it's starting to kind of grind slowly to the upwards direction. Looks like it's this ascending triangle. It's very hard to see because I have all these lines, but this blue line would be a good point to break out of, and then stop loss is right below this point because if it breaks down, it could definitely drop a lot farther. So I'm taking a pretty big position here. Down, a lot of things have been breaking for me for the day. If this one does move up in the right direction, we could simply mitigate all my losses for the entire day, so that'd be kind of cool. All right, so let's see what happens. Man, yeah, so nothing's been playing out for me this day. I mean, I got this hammer candle that formed, this hammer candle that formed. It's been moving up, just now it's breaking down, so it'll stop me out probably for about a $70 loss there. Pretty sure that stopped me out. Okay, yeah, I'm out. Done for the day. Done for the week.